Welcome back to For Real. My name's Claire, and in today's video I'm going to take you on a walk around a small village to the west of Siem Reap town called Chonlong, and it's quite close to Pratom, which is the village that I featured in a video a week or two ago. So I'll leave a link to that one down below, and also at the end of this one in case you missed that and you'd like to watch it as well. So we're about getting on for 8 kilometres to the west of Siem Reap town in this location. I hope you'll join me. It's a good fun exploration of what life is like in the villages outside of Siem Reap. Today's video follows on from the Pratom village video, and I've continued walking from Pratom to the next village across. I'm starting at the Wat this time, and I'm going to work my way back towards Pratom so we can see what this village has to offer. So the first thing you'll notice is that there's some running water in this canal here. There's a nice concrete road that continues past the pagoda. The water's flowing, looks nice and clean actually. Some little dirt tracks going down beside it, but the main road is sealed. Dust levels not too bad here. Definitely a lot better than they were around Atvia area. Hello. Let's see what's going on in this village. This looks like a relatively new building. Got some businesses, there's a little pharmacy in that one. Closed at the moment, but it is there. Like a new house there. Traditional house. Bougainvillea there. And a gum tree. There we go. Comforts of home right there. You do get some nice views of the open countryside from this village. That one looks like it was a rice field or something. Loads of children in this place. Out and about, riding around, hanging out together. I feel like it's a very safe environment for kids in places like this. In terms of, I don't know, everyone knows everyone, that kind of thing. Got some cattle in here. Wow, this tree coming up on the left has a lot of mangoes, and they are further along in their ripening than many that I've seen. There they are. Good fruits. Another new little house there. Oh, there we go. That is a trailer full of massive speakers. Oh, gee, look at this house. Massive. This guy's selling blankets and things. Just goes around on his bike, and people call him in if they're interested in buying some of those sorts of items. Look at that. It's rustic style, but geez, it's well maintained. Wow. A little snack shop there. That looks like a bit of a mechanic sort of shop. This is very pleasant, very shady, very nice. Yeah, I mentioned in my last village video that people don't wear helmets as much out in the villages when they're riding motorbikes. I guess they're only going short distances and they're going very slowly on these roads. I don't think they'd go out into the highway without a helmet. Some nice big clumps of bamboo around here. Looking very good. Well, they've even got a beauty salon out here. It's all happening in this village. There's another CPP office there. A local football game down there. Oh no, volleyball I should say. I just love the way these roads twist and turn. So every time you go around a corner you get like a new view. Kind of reveals itself as you go, which is really nice. Makes the walk a lot more interesting, I think. Another drink shop. Someone's having a burn. It's another CPP. Everywhere. It's the crud station there. Have a look at this. It's a whole little compound with several buildings and all just kind of mingles into one. There's another beauty salon here. Not open for business right now, but you don't need to go into town to get your beauty needs taken care of. There's little fields over there. This is cattle central round here. Got some bulls here. Pretty rustic house. Some thatching on the side. And let me just spin to the other side. There we are. There's a cute little house. Oh, swarm of midgies just then. Here's the petrol station. Big tall awning over that house. Fancier house there. It's more in your Tudor style, I guess you'd say. This one on the corner's got a colourful stripy awning. More mangoes there too. Don't know what music that is. Geez, they turn the bass up loud in their music here. Have a look at that. Little cottage in the back there. Wow, yeah, they turn the bass up so loud that that's really all you can hear. You can't even identify the melody or anything. It's just just loud bass. Oh wow, it's coming from in there. It's the source of the noise. There are a lot of speakers in there. I think they're hiring them out. It's a little street gang here. There's a little wing office. Along with ABA, Wing makes the world go round here in Cambodia. You get money from anyone to anyone for next to no fee. Money's zipping around the country at all times of the day and night with Wing. Oh. Didn't realise those people were turning. So you can see when we're talking about a village, it can actually be quite a big place. Hello. Yeah, quite a lot of houses in this village. Lots of little side streets with more houses. And the road down that way as well. Dead dog. Oh, thick sand here. There's a tiny little bit there that doesn't have sand. Of course, everyone chooses to ride along that bit, as is sensible. Look at this place. Little shop with some veggies there. Another 7-Eleven kind of joint. That's why they have everything in bags, just to keep the dust off it a little bit. Year of the rabbit. I'll go down here. See what's down here off the main drag. We're onto the dirt road now. Chickens. don't think it goes anywhere, just to these houses at the back. But yeah, I won't go any further. Feels a bit intrusive. CPP. Where's that cow going? He seemed to know where home is. There's a little shack there. Definitely people living in there. You can see that's you know, pretty rudimentary accommodation. But even that, I'd say, is probably better than what a lot of people have in some of the poorer areas in Cambodia. Thank you so much for watching right to the end. I really enjoy making these kinds of videos because there isn't a lot out there on the net of life in Cambodia outside of the big cities. So hopefully you found it interesting. I'll definitely keep making these kinds of videos, so give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks so much, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.